Finding a process server in Lafayette, Louisiana process server. Contact us today at 866-237-2853. How to find a process server in Lafayette, Louisiana. A process server is someone who delivers legal documents to a person or business. Process servers are usually hired by law firms, but they can also be hired by individuals. The most common type of legal document that a process server delivers is a summons and complaint, but process servers can also deliver subpoenas, writs, and other types of legal documents. There are many process servers in Lafayette, Louisiana. If you need to hire a process server, there are a few things you should keep in mind. First, you should make sure that the process server you hire is qualified and is court-appointed and insured. Second, you should ask the process server for references. Third, you should make sure that the process server understands the rules of service for the state of Louisiana. Lastly, you should make sure that the process server charges a reasonable fee. The first step in finding a process server in Lafayette is to make sure that the person you are considering hiring is qualified, court-appointed, and insured. You can check to see if a process server is qualified by contacting the Louisiana Secretary of State's office at 225-925-4704 or by visiting their website. You can also check to see if a process server has insurance by asking them for proof of insurance or by contacting their insurance company directly. The second step in finding a process server in Lafayette is to ask them for references. A good process server will have references from satisfied clients. You should contact these references and ask them about their experience with the process server. If the references are happy with the service they received, then you can be confident that you will receive good service as well. The third step in finding a process server in Lafayette is to make sure that the person you are considering hiring understands the rules of service for the state of Louisiana. These rules are different from the rules in other states, so it is important to make sure that the person you hire knows what they are doing. You can find out more about the rules of service for Louisiana by visiting https://allegius.gov/legis/home. ASPX by contacting the Louisiana Secretary of State's office at 225-925-4704. Lastly, you should make sure that the process server charges a reasonable fee for their services. Fees will vary depending on factors such as how many attempts have to be made to serve the papers and how far away the person being served lives from Lafayette. A good rule of thumb is to expect to pay $95 to $265, pending the type of service you are looking for. For example, routine service, rush service, and same-day service. You can find out more about fees by contacting the Lafayette Process Servers LLC at 337-247-9027 or by visiting their website at www.LafayetteProcessServers.com. Hiring a process server in Lafayette, Louisiana. There are many things to consider when hiring a process server in Lafayette, Louisiana. The most important thing to keep in mind is that they must be court-appointed and insured. It's also important to get references from satisfied clients to make sure they understand the rules of service and that they charge a reasonable fee. If you keep these things in mind, you will be able to find a reputable and reliable process server in no time. If you are seeking process servers in Louisiana that you can rely on, look no further than Lafayette Process Servers LLC. Our team offers professional and reliable services to clients in several cities, including Baton Rouge, Lake Charles, New Orleans, Metairie, Lafayette, and more. If you need assistance or would like to request a free quote from our team, please contact us today at 866-237-2853 for more information.